Today, we're adding a digital distortion look to your subject with the body glitch effect. This creates a broken signal vibe and makes your character appear as if they're flickering inside a cyber world. Let's begin. Start by importing your clip into CapCut and tap on it to select. Now, tap the effects button at the bottom. Next, open body effects. Inside, go to the stroke tab. Here, look for an effect called lonely static and tap to apply it. Once it's applied, you'll instantly see glitchy electronic lines and static texture around your subject, giving the scene a futuristic, corrupted look. To refine the visuals, tap the effect again to open the adjustment panel. You'll see these sliders speed controls how fast the glitch animation plays. Increase it to make the distortion more aggressive or lower it for subtle flickering. Texture adjusts how rough or detailed the glitch patterns appear. Higher values give a more broken, noisy appearance. Lower values keep it smoother. Atmosphere changes the opacity and surrounding glow of the glitch, allowing you to make it bold and intense or faint and minimal. Experiment with these sliders to match your style. Dramatic for cyberpunk scenes or lighter for aesthetic transitions. Preview your final clip and you'll see your target flickering with futuristic glitch energy, and that's it. You've successfully added the body glitch effect in CapCut Mobile. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tips and tutorials.